Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add row in Google Docs. So here I've already have a sample table on Google Docs and I want to add some row into it. So if you want to add row at the bottom, you just need to click on the tab button in your keyboard and the row will be added. But if you want to and add a row in between the existing row, you just need to block the row or to click on the any row just like this, and then right click and you'll see the option to insert row above or below. Just click on that and the row will be added. Okay, so that is all. It's a simple tutorial, but I hope this will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye bye.